Hey there, I'm Kathy with the Traveling Homesteader and Gyroscope Farm, and as you can see, I'm with somebody else. This is my friend, Diane Knudsen. She's way awesome. And today, she invited me, along with some other nice ladies, to do some DIY health stuff, you might say. And it's through Young Living. And Diane, what can you tell us about Young Living? What is it?
I can tell you it's a very healthy, toxin-free company with their products, and they're number one in essential oils, but they also do supplements and makeup. I mean, they're into a whole lot of other things.
Now, how do you think this helps with people who want to be self-reliant?
I think that there's a lot of healthy things you can do with oil to help yourself. It's not really to cure yourself, it's a preventative maintenance. So there's lots of things you can do to boost your immune system and keep yourself well, especially in these times.
Yeah, I was going to say, especially thinking of like COVID and different just common everyday colds.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So today I do a wellness box every year for my peeps, all my people. They get a wellness box, so I make them the Vicks Vapor Rub. So this is all made out of the Thieves Young Living essential oils and coconut oil.
Awesome.
And
I'll have to say that was really simple to make. It was
very
easy.
simple to make. All these products are very simple.
And all the
to
ingredients
make.
are pronounceable.
So so far, there's some that isn't. So there's also like these cute little bath bombs that you put in.
There's just Epsom salts and oil, right? Oh, and baking soda
in here, and you put it in. And the different, if you're wanting to get to sleep at night, then lavender, you add lavender. If you're wound up, then you add peace and calming. And there's all kinds of fun things that you can do and put in your bath.
Sweet.
And then tub scrub.
Yeah, I just found that my tub was kind of looking ronky, so that's why this tub scrub is kind of handy. This will have a couple doses of scrubbing out my tub, which is helpful. I like that.
Right.
So what is your favorite thing about basically having your own business and just doing your own thing?
It's the people. I mean, you meet the best people, and everybody is doing these fun DIYs, and they help explain how to keep yourself healthy, the recipes. I mean, it is a whole community that is just going crazy out there.
And I got to say, for those of you who are watching, Diane, I know from moons ago, now she doesn't just do DIY. She's really active in the community. She's really active with her church, and she's also been, should I say, farming for a long time.
Oh yeah, we've been here for 45 years and raise sheep and farm, do hay.
And I just met up with her recent batch of dogs, which are kind of cool. So Diane, I kind of have some respect for you because you have so much going on, and you do a whole host of things. So what makes you like to do so many different things?
I like to stay busy. I like to stay healthy. And with us kind of locked down and at home, this is easy to do. You can do it over the phone. You can do videos and show people and send them stuff. They can DIY the same day you're doing it with a group. And
sweet.
It's just fun.
Sweet. Well, cool. Well, so with that in mind, this is your mission to find out these cool things, and we're going to put a link below to Diane, so you can actually find out how to get more of these particular products and some of the recipes through her Facebook page. And so we'll put that down below. But what is it, just in case? What is your Facebook page?
My Facebook page is Living the YL Dream.
Okay,
but you'll find me under Diane MacArthur Knudsen because that's public. So if you're wanting to be invited to the Young Living page, then you'll have to notify me.
Yeah. So if you're interested in Young Living or other essential oils and how to do that sort of stuff, touch base with this nice lady. She's great. So keep in mind the different things that you can do to be more self-reliant, which includes being healthy. And think about maybe how business and health and all that helps you become more self-reliant. So with that in mind, click the button below to subscribe and come back and check us out again.